Good evening, all. Just a quick thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks for getting me to 1,000 subs, and thank you to my friends at Old Ways for giving me the content to help. Thank you.
Alright, as you can see on the off side, the new wings all welded in place. And we started to make good all of the A posts there. As you can see, we welded plates in, then we put some fiberglass in, rubbed that down and smoothed out with our filler, and also along the scuttle, because we replaced all of the scuttle section with new plates. So we just have to make that good all the way along. And then obviously any of the little scabs on that side. And we've also welded in down there our little battery tray, the one we fabricated, and we've temporarily found a piece of angle iron there to act as a top stay, but of course we'll cut that so it's just nice dead flat. That's lovely and solid now, the way it should be. And we've put in our headlamp mounting bolt just to make sure that fits after we welded in the little plate. Now we're going to start repairing the near side gutter rail, which, as you can see, if I move the light out of the way, is pretty much non-existent there, and all the way along. We cut the return lip off, so we'll grind up, clean it all up, get rid of this old sealer in here, and then what we will do is start making our plates. One to slip in down this section here to meet up with the top section up here, and then we'll make a new piece of gutter to run directly along flat onto there and join up all the way across, trying to keep it as original as possible. And as you can see from the front section there, there's a small little hole just up there, which we'll sort out. we started to do the rust repairs, little scabs on this wing, which are mainly down on this bottom wheel arch section, down on the front section there, and then we notice there's quite a few dents through here, so we've knocked those out from the inside, because you can get to the inside quite easily down through here. Knock those out and a bit of filler smooth those out. Well, we've started the repairs to the top gutter rail, and as you can see we've replated this section here, and we've got a nice section to get welded up into there, then obviously a small little L piece to put into the section across there. That we've started, and the only other big test to do is always make sure before you finish welding that everything fits and you have a nice gap, and then obviously that top section, once we've welded him in place, we've got a nice gap along there, and we've just got to get another piece of inch by ½ inch angle, and we'll make a piece to go right across to the front. And that will be welded exactly the same as this will be, which is we'll tuck it right up, weld inside the gutter along here, all the way in and through here, so that we can grind up. And then once that's all done and it's all in primer, the last stage will be to bond seal the top gutter all the way around the camper body, make it a nice watertight seal, and then reseal down inside there. So we'll dig out all the old crappy sealer and redo it. Sorry about the light and shadows, but unfortunately it's getting that time of night and we're having to use lights, so it's difficult to get a nice clean shot.